Okay, this is a demonstration of the type and text, the TNT machines. This one is of course not completely assembled with a case, but the electronics are all there. And what I've done is I've taken the floppy disk out of here and made little bezels that you can sort of see through, but they're going to give me better contrast on the LEDs. So let's plug these things in and just see them power up. I don't know if you can see that TNT flashing by. Little power switch here. The TNT. And these things are now talking to each other wirelessly, so there's a radio communication between the two microbits. So if I type in the normal QWERTY, we can see that it's typing here as I type, but it's also showing up over here. And I can do the same thing over here. Let's finish that line off. And then do the same thing with this device. And it transmits back. So we're working perfectly here. It took quite a bit of doing. All kinds of problems getting this to work. Running out of memory. I had fired up the I programmed this to use the radio, and then the editor, the Python editor I was using, refused to work with the radio library. So I discovered that I had an old version of the editor, and then I upgraded to a new editor, the latest version, which has radio support. And of course the program didn't run at all. It objected to me using some of the pins on the microbit. It wouldn't let me, for example, make the two switch pins, which are brought out to the connector, into outputs, which the old editor had no problem with, but the new editor wouldn't do it. So I just decided that I really had to make this thing work. So I went back to the drawing board, took everything apart, rewired everything, reprogrammed everything, and now it's working. But that was a major effort to try and get that all together in time. I'm really out of time here. I'm just going to finish this blog off, and hopefully we'll get that published. So this thing is working great. The texting capability is perfect. We've got TNT ignition.